Galaxies are vast collections of stars, gas, and dust. They come in a variety of shapes and sizes. The most familiar galaxy shape is a spiral pattern, traced out by bright stars and by dark dust lanes. Some spiral galaxies have many spiral arms, while others have just a couple. A good percentage of spiral galaxies have an elongated straight region across the middle. These are barred spiral galaxies. All of these spiral arms are within a thin disk, resembling the shape of a pancake. In the center of the disk is a rounded bulge of stars. Some bulges of stars are very small compared to the size of their disk, while others are quite large. A galaxy that is entirely this rounded shape is called an elliptical galaxy. Elliptical galaxies are dominated by stars and generally have very little gas and dust. Elliptical galaxies can appear roughly spherical, or they can be rather elongated. The largest galaxies in the universe are giant elliptical galaxies, found in the cores of large clusters of galaxies. On the other end of the scale, dwarf elliptical galaxies can be found as small satellites around larger galaxies. While dwarf elliptical galaxies can have as few as tens of millions of stars, giant ellipticals can have as many as 1 trillion stars. Other dwarf galaxies have no specific shape. These are irregular galaxies. Irregular galaxies exhibit a wide variation in their shapes and their composition. Many dwarf irregulars have lots of gas, dust, and bright regions where stars are forming. It is important to note that there are many more dwarf galaxies, elliptical and irregular, than there are large galaxies in the universe. Large irregular galaxies also exist, but their shapes are due to the collisions and mergers between galaxies. Across the entire universe, there are about 100 billion galaxies. They come in spiral, elliptical, and irregular shapes, and their sizes range from dwarfs to giants.